distinguished guests, senior management and staff of the Ministry of Agriculture, I acknowledge the Deputy Secretary Corporate Services and the Acting Director Research, Turang Nebotau, Cornubia Methodist Church, media representatives, ladies and gentlemen. Bulbanaka, namaste, and a very good morning to you all. I am indeed honored and privileged to be here as chief guest to commission the Ministry of Agriculture's new National Insect Museum and Staff Room at the Plant Protection Section Cornubia Research Station. The history of Cornubia Research Station tells us that the station, initially known as the Central Agriculture Station, was established in 1948. The same year also saw the establishment of the Plant Pathology and Entomology Section at the Central Agriculture Station. Main program at the time in the section was the introduction of natural enemies of pest control and weeds because suitable pesticides were not available then. The insect samples were collected, curated, and preserved for pest identification and diagnostics. Later, with financial assistance from the Ministry of Agriculture Fiji and the government of South Korea, the collections were transferred to the old museum building where specimens were temporarily kept. The setup and upgrade of specimens had been possible with the assistance of plant protection staff and a volunteer from South Korea, Ms. Kim, to what currently exists here at the section. At present, there are thousands of specimens in the museum collection which need urgent attention in order to preserve and maintain them for future references. The hard copies of specimen records are currently being developed in order to have a soft copy database. The current collection contains some extinct insects, thus needs special care and attention, which in fact had not been practiced due to unavailability of resources for a number of years. Over the years, the operation of the Insect Museum has been undertaken using funds from other programs of the Plant Protection Section. Incorporating this museum maintenance in other programs had been difficult due to the plant protection staff's commitment to the actual work requirements on the overall management of pests, thus had an adverse impact on the overall collection of insect specimens. Taking into consideration the specified nature of diagnostic work and expertise required, there are no other options apart from the construction of a new museum and the refurbishment of the old insect museum for the staff room. The National Insect Museum and Staff Room you have witnessed today were constructed by the Ministry of Infrastructure and Transport with full funding support from the Fijian government, for which we are indeed grateful and most appreciated. The new office space and insect collections would help staff to effectively carry out their work, to better understand the impact of insect pests, and also have a reference point that would assist in diagnosing pest problems. This would not only ensure the safety of insect specimens collected from around Fiji and the region, which have been preserved since early 1900s, but would also assist agriculture stakeholders in pest diagnostics and pest risk analysis services, and in the process facilitates trade. In addition, staff workstation at present is in the laboratories where cultures are maintained for pest and disease diagnostics. This current arrangement, which has been established for many years, has been implicated as the cause of high culture contamination in the laboratories. This was due to the fact that no separate office space had been allocated for staff room. Over the years, the number of culture contaminations has been of great concern due to man hours, time and resources involved to rerun laboratory tests, and therefore isolation of laboratory research work was highly recommended. Curation and preserving is one of the very important functions of the Plant Protection Section, as it provides diagnostic and advisory services on insect and plant diseases to farmers, institutions, stakeholders, and general public to increase crop production, facilitate export, and improve community livelihood. The Biosecurity Authority of Fiji will also require the service in order to address quarantine problems relating to agricultural imports and exports, including the performance of pest risk analysis for importation of plant and plant products. This facility would be best used for pest identification. It is anticipated that the importance of this museum will be increasingly realized by stakeholders, overseas counterparts, entomologists, students, regional and local institutions, and academics. The refurbishment of existing buildings to staff rooms will certainly improve the quality and efficiency of pest diagnostics undertaken in the laboratories, saves money and time. The plant protection section plans to carry out the following activities once the museum is up and running: the collecting of insects in nature, which will involve special tools for trapping insects, successfully curate a total of 5 new insect specimens per quarter, pest diagnostic request received and advisory services made as and when required by clients, preservation of quarantine intercepted pests, have references for pest risk analysis, consultancy with specialists abroad for proper identification of insects, update agricultural pests and diseases databases, efficient storing and maintaining museum database and records, and use digital cameras for taking images of insect specimen for quick identification from specialists abroad. Attaining digital images of specimen preserved in the museum is also essential for database purposes. The outcome of this new development is enormous, as it will provide quality, cost-effective, and timely research data for pest and disease diagnostics for clients. The refurbishment of the existing museum building to a proper staff room would provide conducive workplace for staffs as required under the Occupational Health and Safety Regulation. Finally, I would like to convey my heartfelt gratitude and appreciation to the Acting Director Research for initiating this project, the Ministry of Infrastructure and Transport for constructing the 2 buildings, and the staff of the Plant Protection Section in organizing this event. With those few words, it is now my great pleasure to officially commission the Ministry of Agriculture's National Insect Museum and the new staff room for the plant protection staff. Pinakabalyagu and Dhanyabad.